What if you could run a content channel, post videos regularly, and never show your face or record your own voice? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a realistic AI talking avatar using HeyGen for free and how people are already using it for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram pages. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate your first AI avatar video step by step. Start by opening HeyGen and creating a new account using your email or Google login. After signing in, you'll see both a free plan and a paid creator plan. The free version is surprisingly capable. It allows up to 3 videos per month, each up to 3 minutes long, and includes stock avatars and AI voice generation, which is already enough to run short-form content consistently. Inside the dashboard, the main workspace appears in the center, while the menu on the left shows options like avatars, scenes, voices, and templates. For beginners, the fastest method is using a ready-made avatar, so you can start posting content immediately without recording anything yourself. Go to the Public Avatars section, and you'll find hundreds of AI characters, such as presenters, teachers, business speakers, and influencers. Choose one that fits your niche. For example, if you want to create a facts or educational page, pick a clean, presenter-style avatar that looks trustworthy and neutral. Each character has multiple looks and camera angles, and once selected, the avatar already comes with a voice attached, though you can later customize accents if needed. HeyGen uses advanced AI voice technology, so the speech sounds natural instead of robotic. You can preview the voice without spending credits, which is important because previews are free and only the final render counts toward your monthly generation limit. Always preview your script first to make sure pacing sounds right. Next, paste your script into the editor. Short scripts work best, especially for reels or shorts, and you can create quick educational videos explaining surprising facts, productivity tips, or simple concepts people search for online. After checking the voice preview, adjust visuals if you want. You can keep the original background, remove it, or upload your own footage, but beginners should usually keep the original scene since it already looks realistic. Before rendering, check the motion engine setting. There are 2 options, a premium engine and the free standard engine. If the premium one is selected, the platform will ask you to upgrade, so switching to the standard engine allows you to render completely free. Now render the scene and wait for processing to finish. The final result usually shows natural gestures, body movement, and eye motion, and even using the free version, the avatar looks surprisingly believable. Creators use this method for many niches: motivation videos, educational facts, finance tips, storytelling, and quick explainers, because consistency matters more than production complexity, and AI allows daily posting without recording every video yourself. Remember, you get 3 videos per month per account, so many beginners test multiple niches first and only upgrade once a channel starts working. That's the full process for creating a free AI talking avatar using HeyGen. And next, you can explore cloning your own face into an AI avatar to automate content creation even further.